Yes, I know it's a cable. It is a USB Type-C cable, but I thought you might find it interesting. So we're going to do a little review on it. And before I forget, this was sent to me. I didn't actually purchase it. It was sent to me, so thank you very much for that. And I've already took out the bag because it's just a plain bag. Nothing special, okay? So I just took it straight out of the bag. So this, I've got to read this. It's a full feature 20 volt 5 amp fast charging built-in Emarker chip USB 3.2 Gen 2 cable, apparently. Yeah, it can do up to 10 gigabytes per second, and we are going to be testing it today. Hopefully it can do a good performance. So this is, I believe I've got a 2 meter one. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure the length that is 2 meter. They do 1 meter, 2 meter, or custom. In other words, you can say to them, right, can you make it, I don't know, 1500 mil long? And they will make it for you that length, because it says custom. Also, this is done on alibi.com. I've never done a review and linked a product to Alibi before. So this is the first for me as well. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to set it all up and plug her into a device and see how good she performs. Give me a second. Right, so what I've done is I plugged the cable into my PC and also a memory stick, a 3.0 memory stick into my PC, and we're going to be transferring from that to my CFast card, this baby here. This can read at 525 megabits per second and write at 400 megabits per second, or 450, sorry, megabits per second. Also, I am going to be transferring some data from my PC to the memory card as well. So I'm going to give it 2 tests, yeah? So the first test is from the actual memory stick that's plugged into my PC. And like I said, it is 3.0, so it should be pretty fast. And we're going to test it right now. And 118 megabits per second. And it's constant as well, which is what we're looking for, yeah? So I'm not going to let it finish because I don't really want it going on now. But looking at that, it's giving you a good indication, considering it's steady, how fast the cable is transferring the data over. So 118 megabits, going to stop that right now. So we know that bit works. And now I'm going to transfer my music. And let's just check to see the property size. It is 1.57 gigabytes. And I'm going to just do the same, copy and transfer it over to the memory card. See how quick it does it. Now, will it be exactly the same? No, it's a lot faster. 190. So that gives you a good indication that the actual memory stick, my USB 3.0, is actually causing the slowdown. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to transfer this over to my PC and see if it runs faster. And let me just check the property as well. So that is 3.95 gigabytes. I'm going to copy that onto my PC, like I just said, and then we're going to do the same again and see if the speed changes. It should do. Oh look, the music went over, even though I cancelled it. Alright, so that's now on my PC. I'm going to delete that one. Right, I'm going to transfer this to that, okay? So give it another go. Here we go. Oh my God, that is a big difference. 290 megabits per second. Yes, so the actual memory stick that I've been using is actually causing a bottleneck. I mean, look at that, 290 megabits per second. Definitely gets my thumbs up. And that was, properties, 395 gigabytes. And it took seconds. So providing you haven't got no bottlenecks, this cable's very good. Definitely gets my thumbs up for what you can do, and for what they claim it can do. Yeah, it definitely seems that it can transfer data quite rapidly. And also you can use this for charging up your phone. I'll give you an example. It should just charge it up. We're going to find out right now. Plugged in. Give it a second. There you go. Charging. So it can also charge your phone up. I don't know if it actually tells you that. So with that, like I said earlier, I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. And if you have any questions, you know where the comment section is, stick it down there. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.